The exciting adventure. It was a sunny day, and everybody in the small village was busy. Anna was feeling very excited because she had an exam at school. I must do well, she thought as she walked to school with her brother Ben. Ben, who loved running, said, "Let's walk fast. We don't want to be late." At school, the teacher, Mr. Smith, gave an example problem to help the students. He said, "If you can solve this, you can solve everything in the exam." Anna solved it quickly and smiled. "Good job, Anna," said Mr. Smith. After the exam, the class went outside for some exercise. They played a game where they had to catch a ball. Suddenly, Anna slipped and started to fall, but Ben caught her just in time. "Be careful, Anna. You don't want to hurt your eye or your face," he said. Later, they talked about interesting facts. Anna shared, "Did you know that the moon is far from Earth, about 384,000 kilometers? Ben added, "That's true, but it's false that the moon is made of cheese." Everyone laughed. At lunch, they ate apples from a nearby farm. The farmer explained, "These apples are fresh and not expensive." Anna thought the apples were fantastic. After school, Anna and Ben walked home. They saw a famous painting in a shop window. "It looks amazing, but it's too expensive for us," said Anna. Ben joked, "Maybe we can do some extra chores to save money." At home, their family was waiting for them. Their mother said, "I made your favorite meal." They all sat together and enjoyed dinner. Anna looked at her brother and said, "Today was really an exciting day, even if I almost fell." Ben laughed and said, "Well, maybe next time, try not to eat too much. You're getting a little fat." Anna pretended to be angry, but couldn't stop laughing. Did you enjoy Anna and Ben's story? We use 24 important English words in this fun and simple story, like everybody, exciting, fall, and even false. Learning English through stories is an effective way to improve your vocabulary, grammar, and listening skills. If you want more stories like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Every day, we share educational and engaging content to help you learn English step by step. Like this video and turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson. Learning English can be exciting, just like Anna's adventure. Join us and take your learning to the next level. See you in the next video.